Welcome to the Edit Room with Maria Marauder, a channel dedicated to video editing for beginners. Today we're going to learn how to create a door or window opening transition using Mask Effect in Final Cut Pro. Step 1. Import a video of a door, or in this case, a window. Let's change this rather dull view here, shall we? Step 2. Go to Effects, find Masks, and drag Draw Mask to the clip in the timeline. We are then prompted to add control points. Let's find a place in the video when the window has just started opening. Here we plot our mask points. If it's a bit hard to plot the next points, zoom the viewer by increasing the view percentage. There, much better. Move your view position by dragging your mouse in this tiny viewer. When you've closed the control points, we see the window disappear, but we don't want that. Go back to the default view size, which is fit. Then go to Draw Mask under the Video Inspector and tick the Invert Mask box. That's more like it. We now see our window again. Step 3. Keyframing the mask. When you are happy with your inverted mask, under Draw Mask, click the diamonds opposite control points and transforms. This will mark your first keyframe. Move 3 frames forward and adjust your control points and/or your positions as needed. Do this until the window has been fully opened. Step 4. Import a video clip which will serve as your outdoor background for your opened window. And there we have it. We open our window to see a sunny view of the beach. And who wouldn't want to wake up with such a scenery? I hope you learned something valuable today. Please like and subscribe, send me your comments, and of course watch the other video tutorials in my channel. See you in the next Edit Room.